Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and in today's video, you're watching the rendering process for a Bugatti Veyron, as well as me letting you know about some channel updates and stuff that's been going on, some really exciting stuff that I want to share with all of you. So stay tuned until the end of the video for that. But before we get into all that, this project was yet another team up with RDBLA for a customer's Bugatti Veyron 16.4. The goal here was to really just update the look. We tried a few different color combinations, went back and forth with the customer, and landed on this really nice yellow and black theme that really updates the look, almost like the Grand Sport and Super Sport, even special editions that were more common in the later editions of the Veyron. The only thing that's left off of this one is it still has the original 16.4 headlights. I think Vic was saying in his video about this car that that's a $60,000 upgrade if you wanted to go to the updated, more modern looking headlights that you see in the Grand Sport and the Super Sport, which is crazy. But anyway, another super clean install by the guys over at RDB. I love working with these guys. I even have a video of working on a couple different projects with them, specifically Salamandra's AMG GTR, as well as a couple others that you can check out on my Instagram. Working with them has been a pleasure over the past few months. We got a lot more lined up already, so I'll be sure to share that with you guys in due time. So while I let this play out, I'll give you guys just kind of like a general update as to what's been going on. So I think I haven't posted in, geez, probably what? I think it's been like a little while, like 2 months. I try to get a video out at least like once a month. Although YouTube isn't my main priority, but I do think it's a cool way to show my work and show the rendering process as to how all this stuff comes together. I mostly post on my Instagram. That's where I'm most active. So if you ever want to get in touch with me, feel free to give me a comment, send me a DM. We recently hit 26,000 followers on Instagram. So thank you all for the immense support. I really do appreciate it. We hit over 1,000 subs on the YouTube channel. Just crazy support. Like I said, I can't thank you guys enough. So one of the reasons why I've been so busy is because I am finally learning 3D. Yes, Photoshop is great, but it does have the limitations of 2D. So what that means is you will start seeing not only more renderings from me, but in due time, they will all be in 3D completely. That's not to say that I will stop offering 2D services, but I feel 3D is just the necessary step forward to what I want to do in the future for spec renderings, for custom projects, for anything of that matter. Literally, I'm in the middle of it right now. Specifically, I'm learning Blender. Some of you might be familiar with 3D Studio Max or Maya, but the time that I used to have for YouTube has been going into learning 3D, so that's why the videos haven't been kicking out as fast as they usually are. Between working on projects and learning that, it's taken up a lot of my time, so I appreciate your patience. If you've been looking for a new video, I wanted to at least give you guys an update as to what's going on. So actually check this out. This is the first ever object that I ever modeled and rendered in 3D, and cool, it's a donut. Yeah, so that was kind of a fun project, and this is me kind of just floating around a Senna in a 3D space, just really quick, just kind of, you know, learning the ropes of 3D. So I wanted to ask you guys a question in the comments below. Let me know if you'd be interested in kind of going on this journey with me, you know, showing the 3D learning process of, you know, me just kind of getting my feet wet. And, you know, it would be super laid back, nothing super instructional, but more or less just watching me figure things out, you know, and playing around and seeing what the capabilities are and learning new things. If you would like to see that, let me know in the comments. I think that might be cool to add to my YouTube as well. And also there's more video content that would become available from that. So again, let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you guys very soon with some 3D or 2D projects that I'll be working on. Really exciting stuff coming down the pipeline. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you like to see more videos. Like the video if you liked it. Give a comment below, and I will catch you guys next time.